Guys, we're back with another video. So I got the 4x4, the 3x3, the Lightspeed bundle, which comes with Stardust Simulator, and 3 cube stands, and mini Snoopy House mini mat, and yeah, a cube bag. And now I'm started for this 4x4. It's tiny. I didn't expect it. Oh, it comes with a stand. Bet. What is this? Accessories box. Oh, it's got, yeah, okay, yeah. It's, adjustable. Wait, can I use my, oh, yeah, I can, okay. It's different, dude. Not used to 4x4s. Alright, there's that. Alright. Let's get the GaNCube. Use a screwdriver that came with it. Bruh. Alright. We got the GAN credit card. And we got this. We got the cube, which comes in this case. And then we got accessories. Yeah. Bro, I've seen people open these. How do they do it? How do you open them? Bro, what? I thought you were able to, like, pop them. Oh, it does pop. That's because I held the top. It has springs. Yeah, there. Alright. So it's the UV coated cube. Yeah. That thing feels so nice. It's nice. Now I'm gonna open the accessories box. How do you open this thing? Just murdered it. So yeah, it comes with the GaNCube bag, instructions, this little thingy, and then the little what is this? I think it. Hold on. I think. Oh, wait. Hold on. I think I know what this is for, but then again, I don't. What in the world, bro? What is this? Dude. It's all like, wait. Oh! Magnet replacements. Wait a minute. I want to see what magnets are in here now. I think these are, let me see. They're the same. So I don't, no, they're sticking to each other. Yeah, they're the same, so I'm not. Yeah, this keeps tight. There. Alright. Yeah, these are adjustable magnets too. Wait, it's still just a magnet, isn't it? Wait. Max. I'm putting them all to max. These magnets are, wait, I want to see how strong the magnets are. Oh, they're nice. Max. Sorry, I didn't take it so long. I'm just putting these up to max to, because I like strong cubes with strong magnets. Alright. There's the bottom. Look at this side. Yep. I hate checking for these. There's so many magnets in this cube. The middle doesn't have any. So. And dude. No, I think I got all of them. cube is nice. So yeah, I got the. This thing's heavy. Yes, it is my 4x4, which is adjustable. I think that's for like the tension of the springs. But yeah. Literally corner cut. I mean, yeah, but it wasn't that really expensive cube, so I gotta put this back in there. And yeah, so now I'm gonna open a Spooky House mini mat. Oh, that's a nice mini mat. It's a nice mini mat. And I have my other one too. I have 2 mini mats. But yeah, so this 3x3 I just got today is the GAN 12 Maglev UV coated. So, but and then I'll go ahead and then box these lubes for my cube if I can ever get them open. Ow. Not how I sit home. Dangerous. I swear, if YouTube takes my video down for using a screwdriver. Dude. Come on, I don't think it's gonna open in the package. I don't think. Bro. How do they put it in there? Yeah, this is Stardust. So, yeah, Stardust. Then, okay, now I gotta open the Lunar. Yeah, in the Lightspeed bundle, you get Lunar and Stardust. Yo, my desk is a mess right now. I'm opening all the stuff. Here it is. And here's the Lunar. So that's all for today's video. Oh, got it. And here's my 3 cube stands. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, I got drop this stuff. Yeah, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Peace.